Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a laundry room mini makeover. I hope you enjoy. Alright, so first things first guys, I created some wall sticker decals for my wall. I've dealt with peel and stick wallpaper before, and although I love the look of it and the convenience of it, I just did not want to go that route this time because the straight lines is just, the perfectionist in me just does not like it. So I went the route of peel and stick wall decals to create like my own wallpaper, and these are ones that I actually have available on my website, but I wanted to use them for my home as well, just to kind of give it like that boho farmhouse kind of look. So I just went ahead and printed those out, cut them up, and got ready for the next step. So once all my stickers were cut, I did 3 sheets. So the same amount that I use on my website is the amount that I used to do the wall. I was only doing one wall in my laundry room. So the 28 or 25 stickers, I believe, were a perfect amount for that. So in this clip, you just see me, I went ahead and cut each one out individually so that I could see what pattern I wanted to go with. And just for the sake of storage wise, I purchased these little clips from our Dollar Tree here in Japan, and I used them to stick on the back of the door to hold our brooms and mops and such, just to kind of get them up off of the floor. So I will leave a link down below for something similar on Amazon. I think Command sells a form of these hooks if that's something you're interested in. Alright guys, so the next thing I wanted to do was create a little rolling cart to go in this space we had in our laundry room, because storage here is very limited and I couldn't find the rolling cart that would fit perfectly on the spot. So I was like, I would DIY it, no problem there. And side fact, I'm a woodworker, yes, but I did not want to screw anything this time. So I purchased 3 wooden boards from our Daiso, which is a Dollar Tree here in Japan. These 4 rolling wheel casters, they were $1 for 2 each, so a steal there. And then I'm gonna use some wood glue. These square wooden dowels I also found at our Dollar Tree Daiso thing here in Japan. I'll be sure to leave the measurements of those down below if you want to do this DIY for your home or whatever the case may be. Alright, time for assembly. I'm starting at the bottom of my cart and working my way up. So the first thing I did was add a small amount of wood glue to this first dowel, and then I added some Gorilla Glue hot glue stick onto the end as well. This is just so that my project can dry faster and be available for immediate use. If you want this to be more secure and more sturdy, I would suggest using screws or pocket hole screws, whichever one works best for you. But this cart is holding up and has held up and holding our laundry detergent and other things, which you'll see shortly. But this was just a quicker way for me, just for convenience wise. And yeah, so if you guys want to definitely make yours stronger, definitely use screws. So to complete this project, I needed 8 of these wooden square dowels. And once again, I will leave the dimensions and cut size for these down below if you ended up needing to get them cut. They were just already pre-cut at our Dollar Tree Daiso thing here. So that was just convenience for me, but I understand that that's not available in every location or in every country or every state. So I will leave the dimensions down below where you can get those for your cuts. And now that you have your cart fully assembled, you just want to add your wheels. These wheels did not come with screws, so thankfully I had some laying around that worked perfectly for this. But you're just going to attach all 4 screws and then your cart will be done. And to add just a little bit more decor to our laundry room, I created these signs really quick, and all I did was type up the words on my Cricut, print them off, trace them with this marker. And these are cork wooden signs that I picked up from Daiso here for $1. Just use whatever you have available. They weren't really expensive. They once again were $1, and that worked out really well for me. And then also I just filled up some jars with like our essentials, baking soda, some little clothespins and stuff, and that was it. So here's just one more quick reminder of what the laundry room looked like before. And this is after, guys. I want to say I'm so completely in love with how this turned out. I love everything about the new laundry room, from the wall decals to the sign. This sign is a sign I picked up from Kirkland's a little while back when I was in the States, and I just added some more greenery to just kind of bring some earthiness to the space. Here you'll see some of the signs that I made to add into the space. One thing I keep going back in my mind to think about is adding like a little shelf above to cover all of those cords and piping for the washer, but that'd be something I do later on if I do it. But right now I think it just turned out perfectly. It's less clutter, more functional, and now I really actually want to go in there and wash clothes, so that's always a bonus. And then also I made this cute little shelf with some macrame cord, some wood, and some wooden circle rings that I had in my stash. If you guys want to see a DIY video on that, please leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to share that with you. But yeah, I completely love how this turned out. I will leave everything linked down below that I can, and all the DIY dimensions and cuts and everything like that I will leave down below as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your friends and family. And if you do try any of these DIYs or you make over your space using any of these items, please tag me on Instagram at @the_Christy_T, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.